Dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about chapter 4 in class 7th. The chapter name is lines and angles. Lines and angles. Lines and angles. We have learned some geometrical ideas in previous class. Let us have fun trying something we already done. In exercise 1, the first problem, name the figures drawn below. Name the figures drawn below. First one, the given like this. What is it name? Line segment. AB line segment. AB line segment. What about line segment? Join two endpoints. It is called line segment. So AB is a line segment. The next one, the given like this. Here point B given, here point C given. So what is it? It is a ray. Start with point C and otherwise endless. What is that? Endless otherwise. So it is called ray. CD ray. CD ray. The third one, they given like this. Here points. This point is X or this point is Y. Both sides are endless. The line segment extends on both sides. It endless. So it is called line. So XY is called line. XY is called line. So XY like this. CD ray. This is a line segment. AB line segment like this. And fourth one, they given like this. So it is a point. It is a point P. It is a point P. So this is the first problem in exercise 1. Next, second problem. Clear children this? Draw the figures for the following. This is the second problem. Draw the figures for the following. The first one, OP. The second one, point X. Third one, RS. Fourth one, C. Fourth one, C. See children, draw the figures for the following. The first one, OP, ray. What is this? Ray. So you can draw like this. This is the starting point, O. This is the P. So this is the OP, ray. The second one, point X. Point X. Point X. The third one, RS line. Yes, this is the RS line. The CD line segment. CD. So CD line segment. Once the children, they given, draw the figures of the following. First one, OP ray given. So OP ray. The second one, point X. This is point X. The third one, RS line given. So RS line. The fourth one, CD line segment. So CD line segment. Clear children? Next, third problem. Third problem. Name all the possible line segments. Name all the possible line segments in the figure. The figure A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Possible line segments. AB, one line segment. AC, one more line segment. AD, also one line segment. Next, BC and BD, line segments. CD, one more line segment. These are all line segments of this given figure. First, AB, AC, AD. Next, BC, BD. Next, CD. Clear, children? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line segments are there. So this is the given figure. You have to write is to these line segments. Name all the possible line segments. Clear, children? Next, fourth problem. Identify the following given angles are acute, right, or obtuse. Given following figures are acute and right, obtuse. See, children, what about acute and what about right angle? What about obtuse? Acute means what? It lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So acute angle lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, and right angle it is exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle means it lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So that is called acute, right, and obtuse. So first one, they given like this. They given like this. So it is less than 90 degrees. It is less than 90 degrees. So which angle, children? This angle? Acute angle. Which angle? Acute angle. So this is the first diagram. The second diagram, they given like this. They given like this. It is more than 90 degrees. This angle is more than 90 degrees. So which angle? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. The third one, which angle, children? This is the right angle. Which angle, children? Right angle. Next, fourth one, they given like this. So this angle is acute angle. Why? Because below 90 degrees. Next to fifth one. So this angle more than 90 degrees. What is this? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Once again, children, the first angle is acute, the second angle is obtuse, the third angle right, the fourth angle acute, the fifth one obtuse angle. Clear, children? Next problem. Sixth one, name all the possible angles you can find in the following figure, which are acute and right, obtuse and straight angles. So here given this picture, this point A, middle O, here B. F, E, D, C. So here you have to write possible all angles and you can identify the acute angle and obtuse angle and right angle and straight angles. See children, AOF, AOF, angle AOF, which angle? Acute angle. Which angle children? Acute angle. Now angle AOE, angle AOE equal to right angle. Which angle children? Right angle. Angle AOD, angle AOD, it is a more than 90 degrees. So obtuse angle. Now angle AOC, angle AOC, it is also more than 90 degrees, obtuse angle. Now angle AOB, angle AOB, it is a straight line. What is this? Straight line, straight angle. It is a straight angle. Next, angle FOE, FOE, which angle children? Acute angle. Next, angle FOD, FOD, acute. What is this? Acute. This angle also acute. Next, angle FOC, FOC. This is a right angle. FOC. This is a 90 degrees exactly. Once each other. This is L shape. It is a 90 degrees right angle. Next, FOB, FOB, more than 90 degrees. It is a obtuse angle. What is this angle? Obtuse angle. Now, angle EOD, angle EOD. Which angle children? Acute angle. Angle EOC, acute angle. EOB, right angle. EOB what children? Right angle. Next, angle DOC, here. Angle DOC, which angle? Acute angle. Angle of DOB, that also acute angle. Next, angle COB, that also acute angle. That also acute angle. Clear children? What is the given question? Name all the possible angles you can find in the following figure, which are acute and which are obtuse and which are right and straight angles. This is the answer of sixth problem. Clear children? Next, seventh one. Which of the following pairs of lines are parallel? Why? Which of the following pairs of lines are parallel? In this problem, you have to find which pairs are parallel lines. The first one. The second diagram given like this. The third one they given like this. So what about parallel? They do not cross itself at any point. So it is called parallel lines. The first one, this both are, this pair is parallel. This is extend this both lines. So they meet at one point. So it is not a parallel. So these two lines are meet at one point. So these two lines are also not a parallel. So first diagram only parallel lines. The second and third one pairs are not parallel lines. So only this is the parallel. It's not a parallel. Not a parallel. Not a parallel. Clear, children? Next, eighth problem. Which of the following lines are intersecting? Which of the following lines are intersecting? First page, they given like this. This is the first page. The given line. What about intersecting? Two lines are intersect one point, so the two lines are called intersecting lines. So first one is a intersecting. The second one also extend this like this. They meet at here one point. So these two lines also intersecting. The fourth one also intersecting. But the third one is a parallel. They do not meet at a new point. These two lines are called parallel lines. So first one, second one, and fourth one is a intersecting lines. And the third one is not a intersecting lines. This pair is called parallel line. Now we are going to learn about pairs of angles. Pairs of angles. Pairs of angles. In this, we have to discuss two pairs. The first one is complementary angle. Complementary angles. And the second one is supplementary angles. The second one is supplementary angles. So first take a complementary angle. What is the complementary angle? When the sum of two angles, is equal to 90 degrees, so it is called complementary angles. When the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then it is called complementary angle. Complementary angle. Once again, children, what about complementary angle? When the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then it is called complementary angles. For example, this angle 30 degrees. This angle 60 degrees. The sum of these two angles 30 degrees plus 60 degrees equal to how much, children? 90 degrees. So we have to say these two angles are complementary angles. These two angles are what, children? Complementary angles. Clear? Now we are going to learn about exercise 2. Exercise 2. Exercise 2. Which of the following pairs of angles are complementary? Once again, children, which of the following pairs of angles are complementary? So first pair, they given 110 degrees. 30 degrees. This is the one pair. The second pair, this is the second pair. The third pair, $10. This is the third pair. The first pair, second pair, and third pair. So here asking which of the following pairs of angles are complementary angle. So first, what about complementary angles? When the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then it is called complementary angles. So take first pair. First angle 110, the second angle 30. The sum of the two angles 110 plus 30. How much? 110 plus 30 is equal to 140. 140. This 140 more than 90 degrees. So it's not a complementary angles. Complementary angle. It's not a complementary angle. The second pair, 90 plus 90 equal to 180. This also more than 90 degrees. This pair also not a complementary angle. Complementary angle. The third one, 80 plus 10 equal to 90 degrees. So it is a complementary angle. This pair of complementary angle. Clear, children? This is the first problem. Clear? Right. Next problem, find the complementary angles of the following. Find the complementary angles of the following. Of the following. First one, 25 degrees given. Find the complementary angle of the following. So first one now, 25 degrees given. The complementary angle of 25 degrees is how much, children? Take 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. Do subtraction. The given 25 degrees given, then you find the complementary angle of 25 degrees. So do subtraction. So take 25, subtraction from 90 degrees. So 90 minus 25, 0 minus 5 not possible. Take power of 10. Here 8. 10 minus 5, 5. 8 minus 2, 6. How much, children? 65. So the complementary angle of 25 is 65 degrees. 65 degrees. The second problem, 40 degrees given. So the complementary angle of 40 degrees is, so 90 minus 40. What about complementary? 90 degrees. 90 minus 40, how much, children? 50. So the complementary angle of 40 degrees is how much? 50 degrees. Now third problem. 89 degrees given. So complementary angle of 89 degrees equal to is 1. Why? Because 90 degrees minus 89. How much, children? 1 degree. So this is the 1 degree. Now fourth problem, 55 degrees. The complementary angle of 55 degrees equal to is 90 minus 55. 10 minus 5, 5, here 8 minus 5, 3. Total how much? 55 degrees. So the complementary angle of 55 degrees equal to, this is the 55. 55 degrees is equal to how much? 35. This is the answer of second problem. Now third one, two angles are complement to each other and are also equal. It is very important problem. Clear, children? This Canara. This is last problem in exercise 2, and also last problem in this video class or in this session. The angles are complement to each other and are also equal. Find them. So here two angles are given, that two angles are also complementary angles, and the two angles are equal. So 40. What about complementary angles? 90 degrees. How many angles here? The sum of two angles. So it is divided by 2. How much here? 45 degrees. So each angle how much? 45 degrees. Once again, children, here given two angles are complement to each other and are also equal. So what about complementary angle? 90 degrees. Here how many angles? Two angles divided by 2. We get 45. Why mean? Here two angles are equal. So each angle how much? 45 degrees. This angle 45 degrees. This angle also 45 degrees. So each other equal. So it is the answer of third problem. Clear, children? So today's session is completed. In next class, we will discuss supplementary angles. We will discuss supplementary angles and exercise 3 and adjacent angles and exercise 4. Clear, children? Thank you very much.